Most people think grape juice is healthy, but drinking it every day may quietly harm your body. Grape juice is full of vitamins and antioxidants, but it also has a hidden side most people ignore. Today, let's break down what actually happens to your body if you drink grape juice daily, and how to enjoy it safely. Even though the sugar in grape juice is natural, it can spike your blood sugar very quickly. If you drink grape juice on an empty stomach, it enters your bloodstream fast, causing sudden energy spikes, followed by crashes. That's why some people feel tired or sluggish shortly after drinking it. Another issue is digestion. Grape juice contains very little fiber. Whole grapes have fiber that slows digestion, but when you juice them, that protection is gone. As a result, sugar gets absorbed rapidly, which can lead to bloating or digestive discomfort for some people. Drinking grape juice every day may also affect your weight and metabolism. Your liver and pancreas have to work harder to process the extra sugar. Over time, this constant workload can stress your metabolic system if your diet isn't balanced. So, what's the smart way to drink grape juice? Drink it in moderation, no more than a small glass per day. Have it with meals to slow sugar absorption. Even better, eat whole grapes. The fiber helps control sugar spikes. And don't forget to drink enough water. It helps your body process sugar more efficiently. If you've been drinking grape juice daily, try switching to whole grapes for 1 week. You may notice better digestion, steadier energy, and even improved mood. Remember, moderation is key. A little grape juice can be healthy, but too much can quietly harm your body. Follow for simple health truths most people never talk about.